FastMCP implements a declarative UI framework through the FastMCPApp class, which encapsulates stateful UI components and backend tools within a single provider architecture. This pattern enables bidirectional communication between the UI layer and server-side tools via the CallTool action, while maintaining stable tool references through global key resolution. The upcoming code demonstrates how to initialize a FastMCPApp instance, define backend tools with the @app tool decorator, and construct a reactive UI using components like form, input, and button. You'll see how state management integrates with UI actions through setState and showToast, and how the result reactive reference handles asynchronous tool responses. The example culminates in mounting the app within a FastMCP server instance, showcasing the complete application lifecycle from initialization to execution. From prefab UI, actions import setState, showToast. From prefab UI, actions, MCP import CallTool. From prefab UI, app import PrefabApp. From prefab UI, components import. Badge, button, column for each form. Heading, input, row, separator, text. From prefab URX, import result. From FastMCP, import FastMCP, FastMCPApp. App equals FastMCPApp notes. Notes DB, list dict equals. @app tool. Def add note title, SDR body, SDR list dict. Save a note and return all notes. Notes DB append title, title body, body. Return list notes DB. @app UI. Def notes app, prefab app. Open the notes app. With column gap equals 6, CSS class equals P6 as view. Heading notes. With for each notes as note. With row gap equals 2, align equals center. Text note, title, CSS class equals font semibold. Badge note, body. Separator. With form. On submit equals CallTool. Add note. On success equals. Set state notes, result. Show toast, note saved. Variant equals success. On error equals show toast, failed to save. Variant equals error. Input name equals title, label equals title. Required equals true. Input name equals body, label equals body. Required equals true. Button add note. Return prefab app view equals view, state equals notes. List notes DB. MCP equals FastMCP note server. Providers equals app. This code demonstrates a complete FastMCP application with UI components, tools, and state management. The FastMCPApp class provides 2 key decorators. @app, UI for entry point tools that the model calls to open the app, and @app tool for backend tools that the UI calls via CallTool. The Notes app function, decorated with @app, UI returns a prefab app with a UI built using components like column, for each, form, and input. The form submits data to the addNote backend tool, which is decorated with @app tool. The CallTool action bridges the UI and server, handling success and error cases with actions like setState and showToast. The result reactive reference is used to update the state with the tool's return value. The design separates concerns between the model-facing entry points and UI-facing backend tools, providing automatic visibility management. The FastMCPApp class ensures that backend tools have globally stable identifiers, making the app composition safe even when mounted under namespaces. This approach simplifies tool management and prevents naming collisions in larger applications. The code also demonstrates state management with the Notes DB list, which is passed to the UI via the state parameter in prefab app. The for each component iterates over the notes state to display each note, while the form updates this state when a new note is added. This pattern provides a clear separation between the UI and backend logic, making the application easier to maintain and extend. Let's break it down. From prefab UI, actions import set state, show toast.
Imports two UI action classes from the prefab UI. Actions module. Set state for managing application state, and show toast for displaying temporary notification messages to users.
From prefab UI, actions, MCP import CallTool.
Imports the CallTool class from the prefab UI actions MCP module, which serves as a bridge between the UI and server-side tools in the FastMCP framework. This class enables UI components to invoke backend tools registered with the @app tool decorator.
From prefab UI, app import prefab app.
Imports the PrefabApp class from the prefab UI app module, providing a base application class for building FastMCP 3 user interfaces with pre-configured components and tool integration.
From prefab UI, components import. Badge, button, column for each form. Heading, input, row, separator, text.
Imports UI component classes from the prefab UI. Components module, including badge, button, column, for each, form, heading, input, row, separator, and text for building user interface elements.
From prefab URX, import result.
Imports the result constant from the prefab UIRX module, which is used to represent the result of an operation in the Reactive UI framework.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP, FastMCPApp.
Imports the FastMCP class and FastMCPApp class from the FastMCP module, providing the core components for building FastMCP 3 applications. These classes enable server identification and tool registration in the Model Context Protocol MCP framework.
App equals FastMCPApp notes.
Creates a FastMCPApp instance named app with the server identifier notes. This instance will serve as the main application container for registering tools and handling MCP protocol interactions, with notes appearing in protocol handshakes to identify the server to clients. The line establishes the core application object that subsequent tool registrations and configurations will attach to.
Notes DB, list dict equals.
Declares an empty list variable named notes DB with type annotations specifying it will contain dictionaries. This creates an in-memory collection ready to store note records, where each note is represented as a dictionary with arbitrary key-value pairs. The type hint listDict documents the expected structure, but doesn't enforce it at runtime.
App tool. Def add note title, SDR body, SDR listDict. Save a note and return all notes.
Defines a tool function named addNote that takes title and body, string parameters, and returns a list of dictionaries. The @app tool decorator registers this function as an MCP tool, exposing it for remote calls via the Model Context Protocol. The docstring indicates it saves a note and returns all existing notes, though the actual implementation isn't visible in this segment.
Notes DB append title, title body, body.
Appends a new dictionary object to the Notes DB list, containing two key-value pairs. Title, mapped to the value of the title variable, and body, mapped to the value of the body variable. This operation extends the list by one element, which is a dictionary representing a note with the specified title and content.
Return list notes DB.
Converts the Notes DB iterable into a list and returns it. This ensures the caller receives a concrete list object containing all elements from the database collection, rather than an iterator or other sequence type. The operation is straightforward. It materializes the entire collection into memory as a list before returning.
.app UI. Def Notes app prefab app. Open the Notes app.
Defines a UI function named Notes app using the app UI decorator that returns a prefab app instance. The function's docstring indicates it opens the Notes app, suggesting this is the entry point for the Notes application's user interface.
With column gap equals 6, CSS class equals P6 as view.
Creates a column layout with a 6-unit gap and applies the CSS class P6 for padding, assigning it to the variable view using a context manager. The column class here is being used to define a UI container with specific spacing and styling properties.
Heading Notes.
Creates a heading element labeled Notes in the user interface. This is a visual component that organizes content under a Notes section, likely for displaying or collecting note-related information. The exact styling and behavior depend on the framework's default rendering, but the immediate effect is establishing a labeled container for subsequent note content.
With for each notes as note.
Iterates over each item in the notes collection, assigning the current item to the variable note for use within the loop block. The for-each construct is a FastMCP template directive that enables iteration through collections in the view layer, similar to a for loop in imperative code, but designed for declarative UI rendering. Each iteration makes the current note available as a context variable named note that can be referenced in subsequent template expressions.
With row gap equals 2, align equals center.
Creates a row layout container with 2-unit gap spacing between elements and centers all child components horizontally. The with statement establishes this as the current layout context for any UI elements defined in the indented block that follows.
Text note, title CSS class equals font semibold.
Creates a text component displaying the note's title with semi-bold font styling applied via the font semi-bold CSS class. This renders the note title with increased visual weight in the UI.
Badge note body.
Creates a badge component using the body content from a note object. The badge is a UI element that displays the note's body text in a styled badge format, typically used for visual emphasis or categorization in the interface.
With form.
Initiates a form context using the form class, which is a FastMCP3 component for creating interactive UI forms. The with statement establishes a context manager that will handle form rendering, user input collection, and submission processing. This specific line begins the form definition block, where form fields and behavior will be specified in the subsequent indented code.
OnSubmit equals CallTool.
Assigns a CallTool instance to the OnSubmit parameter, creating a bridge between the UI and a backend tool. CallTool connects form submissions to server-side functions registered with @AppTool, enabling direct execution of backend logic when the form is submitted. The specific tool name isn't visible in this segment, but the pattern establishes the UI to server communication pathway.
Add note.
This is a string literal, add note, that appears to be a tool name or identifier in the FastMCP context. Based on the provided definitions, it represents a server-side function that handles note addition operations, where user form submissions trigger this function to update state and display feedback without UI navigation. The string itself doesn't perform any action, but serves as a reference to this specific functionality.
Set state notes, result.
Updates the state variable notes with the value stored in the result constant. This is a direct state assignment operation that stores the result data under the notes key for later retrieval or display.
Show toast, note saved. Variant equals success.
Displays a success toast notification with the message note saved. Using the variant equals success parameter to indicate a successful operation. This is a UI feedback mechanism that visually confirms to the user that their note has been successfully saved.
On error equals show toast, failed to save. Variant equals error.
Assigns an error handler that displays a toast notification with the message failed to save, using the error variant when an error occurs.
Input name equals title, label equals title, required equals true.
Creates an input field named title with the label title that is marked as required in a form. The input class is being instantiated with 3 parameters. Name sets the internal identifier to title, label provides the user-visible label as title, and required equals true enforces that this field must be filled out before form submission.
Input name equals body, label equals body, required equals true.
Declares an input field named body with the label body that must be provided required equals true. This creates a form element in the FastMCP interface where users can enter text content, with validation ensuring the field isn't left empty. The name body identifies this input in the MCP protocol, while body serves as the user-facing label in the UI.
Button add note.
Creates a UI button labeled Add Note that, when clicked, triggers the Add Note function on the server via the FastMCP protocol. The button serves as a user interface element that initiates the note-adding workflow without requiring page navigation.
Return prefab app view equals view, state equals notes, list notes DB.
Returns a prefab app instance initialized with the provided view and a state dictionary containing a list of notes from notes DB. The notes value in the state is explicitly converted to a list, ensuring the state contains a serializable collection of note items. This creates a configured application instance ready for use in the FastMCP framework.
MCP equals FastMCP notes server. Providers equals app.
Creates an instance of FastMCP named MCP with the server identifier note server, and registers the provided FastMCPApp instance, app, as its provider. The string note server serves as a label for protocol handshakes to identify this server to clients, while the provider's parameter establishes the application that will handle tool calls and operations. FastMCP3's declarative UI framework shines through the FastMCPApp class, which unifies stateful components and backend tools under one provider architecture. The key insight here is how the @app tool and @app UI decorators create a clean separation between model-facing entry points and UI-facing backend tools, with automatic visibility management. The CallTool action bridges this gap, enabling bidirectional communication where form submissions trigger server-side functions like addNote, while setState and showToast handle the UI response. The result reactive reference ensures seamless state updates, and the entire pattern maintains globally stable tool identifiers, making the app composition safe even in larger applications. This design simplifies tool management and prevents naming collisions, all while keeping the UI reactive and the backend logic cleanly separated.
The form submits to a dream, yet the notes wake up in the database before the decorator finishes blinking.